In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to relink images in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. If you've ever opened a file and seen that dreaded missing image warning, don't worry, it's a very common issue and it's easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can relink your images in seconds and get back to designing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. If an image is missing, you might see a warning icon or a placeholder where your image should be. Sometimes Illustrator will give you a pop-up saying that links are missing. Either way, the fix starts the same way. Go ahead and click on the image directly on your artboard. Make sure the image is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. Selecting the image is important because Illustrator needs to know which linked file you want to reconnect. Next, we need to open the Properties panel. If you already see the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your workspace, you're good to go. If you don't see it, go up to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Properties from the drop-down list. That will open the Properties panel for you. With the image still selected, look inside the Properties panel for the section labeled Linked File. This area shows you information about the currently linked image. If the file is missing, you'll usually see a warning icon or a message indicating that the link can't be found. Under Linked File, you'll see a button labeled Relink. Go ahead and click Relink. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open on your computer. This is where you'll manually locate the correct image file. Now, navigate to the folder where your original image is stored. This might be in your Downloads folder, a project folder, an external drive, or wherever you save the file. Take your time to make sure you're choosing the correct version of the image, especially if you have multiple copies with similar names. Once you've found the correct image file, click on it to select it, and then click Place. The moment you click Place, Illustrator will reconnect the image to your document. If everything matches correctly, your missing image will instantly reappear on your artboard in the exact same position and scale as before. And that's it. Your image is successfully relinked. Now, let me share a couple of quick tips to avoid this issue in the future. First, try to keep all your project assets organized inside one main project folder. That way, if you move the Illustrator file, you can move the entire folder together without breaking links. Second, avoid renaming image files after placing them into Illustrator because changing the file name will break the link. And finally, if you're sending your Illustrator file to someone else, consider packaging your file. You can do this by going to File and then Package, which gathers all linked images and fonts into one folder. Relinking images is a simple process once you know where the Relink button lives, and it can save you from having to reinsert and reposition graphics manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Adobe Illustrator guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.